Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Focus Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. Start of opening settings application. In it, look for your feature selection where we tap on accessibility. Now magnification, and we must turn on our shortcut magnification configured by Godit, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe up it on screen to select place when we want it. Maybe right there, tap on it and tap on screen to zoom. To change position of your zoom you must use two finger, because when you use one you can only go up and down. You can also zoom on zoom out. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.